Welcome to our channel.
Hi friends. Are you ready to spin into today's word of the day? Today's word is whirl. Can you say it with me? W H I R L. Whirl. Meaning, to whirl means to spin around and around really fast. Here's how we use it in a sentence. Like, the puppy chased its tail until it went into a silly whirl. Did you know? When air whirls super fast, it can make a mini tornado. Stand up and try your own whirl. Can you spin like a top? Or twirl like a dancer? Thanks for swirling through today's word. See you next time.
Thanks for watching.